If you want to disable two-factor authentication on Discord, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access the Discord website through your browser. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface next to your username. Click on it to open the User Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the User Settings menu, look for the Security tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access your security settings, including two-factor authentication options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find a section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. You will see an option to disable it. Click on this option, and you may be prompted to enter your password and the authentication code from your Authentication app. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Discord account. Always ensure your account is secure by using strong passwords and being cautious with your login information.